up, you're going to perform the down dog shoulder press. Make sure you have the required weight, set of weight, required amount, and your amount is decent. We'll get onto the step. Make sure your bench starts flat, shoulder blades press towards the bench, nice torso up, core activated. Dumbbells on. There. Make sure your shoulder blades are pressed towards the back. Get arms back a little bit. Get that stability. Contract the shoulder blades. And then have nice control movements.